to my channel. Wanted to get on here today and do a summer all-stars for health and lifestyle and a little bit of travel. These are products that I have depended on all summer. I have just been obsessed with them. So I'm going to jump right into this, and I'm going to start with diet and health stuff. Okay, the first thing I got obsessed with this summer and really started depending on it are minerals. And the minerals that I have been depending on, the first one is magnesium. This is what Thomas DeLauer calls nature's chill pill, and it really is. This really relaxes me. So I've started taking this at night. I keep this in my nightstand, and I take it every single night. It has really helped my nerves, y'all. It helps me sleep. I used to have a lot of muscle twitching. Yeah, my nerves are shot. I hardly have any of that anymore. So I love my magnesium. I also like my natural calm. That's really good at bedtime too. Okay, next, Himalayan pink salt. And I just take a couple of these and put this in my water, or sometimes I take a Water X by GNC, and this has your sodium and your magnesium. So sometimes I'll take this, or I'll put a couple of pinches of this into my water through the day. I'll tell you why I like this. Because if you are low or healthy carbing, which I have been Atkins maintenance for 20 years, well, when I'm doing real good on my carbs, I sometimes look too drawn down. When you're low carb, your body dumps water. So I drink a lot of water, and now I'm adding this. It helps so much. If you are low carbing, really be careful about your minerals. My potassium, I will tell y'all, I'm not taking any extra potassium unless it's coming in this next thing, and that is my GNC Ultra Mega Greens. I have better focus. I have better energy. I feel amazing on this. If you haven't tried these, I've never taken a vitamin that's made so much difference in my life. Next, monolaurin. I heard about this on Ellis for a Living. Y'all, okay, I think monolaurin is made from coconut. I think these have stopped me from getting sick about 4 times now. I haven't been sick since I started taking it. First signs of a sinus infection, I start taking this. I've not been sick since I started taking this. And I used to get sinus infections all the time. It's been so long that my kids were like, you never get sick. I think a lot of that is this. Next, now this is not very glamorous, but it was crucial to me all summer. I was having major allergy attacks during the night that would keep me up for about 2 hours. One of my subscriber friends over on Instagram told me, take Zyrtec at night. I take a Zyrtec every night, Nasacort or Flonase twice a day. Totally got rid of it. So if you have allergies, this was great. Okay, and my last one is progesterone, and I'm brand specific on this. I've tried a lot of progesterones. The GNC Women's Progesterone is the absolute best one I have ever tried. I just get a little bit of this, put it right here. I'm not in menopause yet. I think I'm perimenopausal. My cycle's real irregular, so my moods are also real irregular. This helps so much. There's no telling how many of these I've been through this summer. I love it. Next, I have been obsessed with cabbage. I bet a half a bag a day. I either eat egg roll in a bowl, which I just did on a food vlog. I will link down below. And I love the egg roll in a bowl. And I was talking to Mary Ellen about it, and she said, you know how a lot of people use zucchini spiraled in place of pasta? She was like, I do that with cabbage. So do I now. It's good with cheese on it. It's good with sauce on it. I just put this in a pan and stir fry it and do whatever I want to it that I would normally do with pasta. There's even a recipe out there that I haven't tried yet for lasagna with cabbage. I eat this all the time. Apples, because these saved me when I was traveling. I took so many trips this summer, y'all. I think 4. I put them in my carry-on. I put them in the bottom of my purse. Anytime I'm going somewhere, I'm taking apples, and I'm usually taking nuts. I don't have my nuts with me, but apples and nuts, they saved me on my trips this summer. Okay, next, this has been the summer of the health book. Grain Brain, toxic staple that I'm still working my way through, Wheat Belly. If you want to know what sugars and grains can do to your body, or gluten, these were excellent books. Okay, next, I'm going to move on to lifestyle, and I'm going to start with one that you really can't readily, you're not just going to run out and buy this, but Invisaligns. It's something that they don't tell you when you're growing up is that as you get older, your teeth get narrower and narrower and start crowding. Mine had gotten so bad that only one tooth touched, and now it's widened my smile back out and I can touch my teeth again. If your teeth are feeling uncomfortable, ask your dentist about Invisaligns. They are wonderful. It's something that people just don't really talk about. Next, white nails. I've always loved the pink and white, the French manicures, but they're so slow. It would take like an hour, it would take about an hour and a half to get my nails done. And instead, now I get these white nails. These white nails are so fast and look clean like a French manicure, but don't take all the time. Okay, next. This has been the summer of the book, the summer of reading, of the Kindle, and I have read about 4 books. I'll put them down below. I like a psychological thriller, something that's kind of exciting, kind of a mystery. And some of my favorites, The Wife Between Us was an excellent book. A lot of good twists and turns. Watch Me Disappear was another kind of mystery, a lot of good twists and turns. What She Knew, same kind of theme. And The Kind Worth Killing. All of those were excellent. I'm going to list those down below, and I'm loving that. If I forget at the end, y'all tell me some good books that you are loving. I have been obsessed with my messy bun, and I did not wear it today because it's been in so many videos. I didn't want y'all to get bored of it. Y'all, it is perfect for traveling. If your hair's long enough to go up in a messy bun. I just got back from San Antonio, and it was a 3-day trip. Y'all, I wore that messy bun the last 2 days of that trip because I'm always slow in the mornings. And you're in a hotel and everybody's like, hurry, hurry, hurry. Get my makeup on. I don't have to do anything to that bun. I don't have to wash it. I can sleep in it, just repin it a little bit and go. I've loved it. Okay, next, these Pier 1 placemats and napkins because I have the hardest time getting on board with summer. It's just not my favorite time. It's the lack of structure. So I went and picked these up to try to make myself feel summery, and it worked. I loved these so much that now that it's fall, I'm going to go back to Pier 1 and I'm going to pick up some fall placemats. Okay, then I have a couple of things that I have saved for the very end of the video in case you're a regular here because I've had these in other videos. But I love them so much. They have really played a big role in my summer. So forgive me for the repetition, but if you're new here, these are great products. The first ones that I want to talk about are travel items, and they made my summer because I'm not a great traveler, but these made traveling so good. The first one is this purse in. I fell in love with this summer because it carries all my skincare. It's got these little bags that come in and out. I would put morning skincare in one, night skincare in one, some other stuff in another one, and then down here on the end it has little pockets down here. I have a tinkle razor that lives here. And then on this end, it has a little pocket for cotton. I put cotton and I don't remember what all. You could take out the bag. I could put my morning skincare in the bathroom, my night skincare on the nightstand. This was lovely all summer long on 4 trips. I really came to depend on that. The next one is this brush roll that I got at Sephora. Sephora doesn't have these anymore. I'm going to find a brush roll for y'all. I think MAC has one. I am passionate about my brush roll. All your brushes fit in. It's got 3 separate layers. I could probably put every brush I have in here and take them all. Then down here, it's got this little pocket that I could put beauty blenders, cotton, whatever I wanted down here for little utensils. And this covers your brushes so they don't all get together. I would just lay this out on the bed. I always get ready on the bed because I don't want to fight for that one hotel bathroom. Then my TJ Maxx bag. I love this. Y'all don't forget TJ Maxx and Marshalls. This bag is just nice and roomy. I don't travel light. I put a couple of eyeshadow palettes in here and every single stitch of makeup that I might want. Probably less than $10. I might go get more of these. I loved it. And then these little gift with purchase bags are so nice for miscellaneous items. Now, I know you can't get this one anymore, but I love these bags for just miscellaneous Benadryl, earplugs, you know, just kind of those little toiletry things that you need. This was great for that. And then finally, I've talked about this in so many videos. my travel mirror. It's regular on one side, magnified on the other. It has a light, so it lights up. Y'all, I think I might have heard about this on Mary Ellen's channel a long time ago because she loves this too. I bet I heard about this on her channel. I have one with my skincare and this one lives with my luggage. And so all this stuff I would just lay out on my bed. It made any place like home. Could not leave those out. Then a next definite all-star and summer favorite is Poshmark. I've talked about that. I've had videos on it. This summer, I don't think I bought anything at a store. I bought some stuff at an outlet that I went to. I like my Poshmark stuff better. I went to town on these J. Crew strapless tops, but they have anything that you could want, whatever styles, brands. I just have the best luck there and just spend next to nothing. I got a bunch of Lululemon tops, these J. Crew strapless. I'll show you in case this is your style. They're just comfortable. They're kind of, you know, very forgiving through the middle, very comfortable, strapless. Between these and the Lululemon tops, I saved so much money this summer on Poshmark. And that is all of my health and lifestyle all-stars for summer. I just loved all this stuff. So anyway, y'all tell me what y'all enjoyed this summer so I can pick it up and live it with you. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Leave comments and questions down below, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Y'all have a good day. Bye.